guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're here in the city. So today, we're just gonna walk going to Queen Victoria Market. So I'll show you guys when we were there. So autumn is real. The leaves are changing colors from green to red to orange to yellow till they're gone. It's so cold today. So this is the exhibition building. I got a lot of photos there when we first visited the city. So Royal Exhibition Building and Carlton Gardens. Yeah. So this is Carlton Gardens. We walked in there before and I took a lot of photos na na-upload ko na sa Facebook. Can you see, guys? Look at the gardens. So this is Carlton Gardens. Just beside the exhibition building. So yung mga park dito merong water bottle refill. So pwede kayong uminom ng tubig. Or kung may bottle kayo, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng tubig refill. Look at that. Nice. Here in Melbourne, there are lots of parks. What's those birds? Huh? So here there's ducks. Wow! Ducks and pigeons. Look at that. Wow.
Nice.
Yeah. Look at that building, guys. It's tall. That building is just close to Carlton Garden. So guys, meron sila ditong button. Yan, para baguhin yung traffic light. To change the traffic light, you have to push that button. Guys, Queen Victoria Market. Oh my God.
What's the matter?
What?
You okay?
Yeah. Let's just stop having it.
Look, you're not looking.
I'm looking. ito yung mga tinda nila dito. May mga souvenirs.